Hi you guys, I'll be showing you how to install my unit with Lavy hair Brazilian Kinky straight. So this is my braid pattern. I did 2 anchor braids that connected in the back, and then the rest of the braids just went straight back, and the 2 twists at the top is my leave out. And now I'm spraying my hair with a little oil because I'm going to have the wig on for a couple of weeks. This is my unit. It's 18, 20, and 16-inch bundles with a 14-inch closure, and I installed it on a dome cap. So right now I'm just going to sew the wig down to my perimeter braids, and I do it one side and then I go all the way to the back in the middle, and then I stop there and then start on the other side, and then I sew it all the way in the back and I meet in the middle in the back. So you see my closure isn't laying flat like I want it. So what I'm going to do is part the closure, and it's a braid right up under there where that part is. So I'm just going to sew the closure down to that braid, and I do that for both sides. Okay, so I'm done. I got everything sewed down. Now I'm about to flat iron the hair. So I'm using the heat protectant that I got from Sally's, and I'm going to spray it on the hair, and then I'm going to flat iron my hair with my cheat iron that I got from JCPenney about 8 years ago, maybe. So now I'm about to wand curl my hair with my Cortex 4-in-1 curling wand. I can't remember what size barrel that was, but I think it was the one next to the smallest one. Okay, so now I'm done with my hair. My natural hair would not act right for the life of me. But the next day I ended up having to clip my ends, and then it worked out a little bit better. But this is the final look, and this is the back of it, and what the back looks like. And I only wore it like this for maybe 2 days. Yeah, 2 days, and then after that I did something else different. Hey y'all, so this is Lavy hair, and it came in this package. It came DHL, and I got it in like 3 days. And I want to say I paid $2.55 for everything. It's three bundles, 20, 18, 16, and I want to say a 14-inch closure. And I paid about $2.50 for all of them. So that wasn't bad. The closure came bleached. I'm gonna have to fix it. Like it's brassy and all that. So I'm thinking it's over bleached because like even the roots of the hair look different. So I'm gonna wear it like that for now. But honestly, I don't know how to fix it. But I'm gonna wear it like that for now, and then I'm gonna do my little research on YouTube or whatever, try to figure out if I can figure it out, see if I can figure out how to fix it, and then I fix it when I do, or if I do, if I don't, I'll come back to you guys with that. So I'm gonna leave this hair in for about. Today is Tuesday, so I'm aiming for 2 weeks. I switch up my hair a lot, but I'm aiming for 2 weeks, maybe three, because I kind of want to get a good feel of it, and I want to, be able to come to you and be like, hey, this is what's going on, and then not come back 2, 3 days or 2, 3 weeks later and be like, damn, the hair just totally switched on me. So I did wear it one full week in December, but I didn't wear it sewn onto my head. I just put my wig on every morning before I left and went to work, and all I did was like did 2 braids, put them back there, and I just wore it like that for about a week. So I said I want to try it with it. Yeah, so I'm probably wear it about a week, 2 weeks. Lord be with me. And then I may take it off in between if I can figure out how to fix this, because this is getting on my nerves. But if I can figure out how to fix that, then I may take it off to do that. But that's it, and I'll put it back on. And so I'll come back, give you guys a couple of updates. I may try to do more styles with it. I don't know. I really do like this, but my hair don't act right up here at all. And I left my hair out because I might want to do a little pullback, something different than the whole just wearing the wig like this. So we'll see. But hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll try to put all the I'll try to put all the links below so y'all can see, the specs on the hair and whatnot. And I'll be back in about a week or so to let y'all know what's going on. But yeah. So I'll see you guys later.